Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how I make my homemade ice cream that tastes better than store-bought. Yes, you heard me right. And if you're interested, keep on watching. So the recipe is very simple and straightforward. You need your heavy whipping cream. You can use your sweetened heavy whipping cream, any brand of your choice. You need your sweetened condensed milk and your flavor. But there's a twist. This is diluted sweetened condensed milk. Actually, this is how thick it comes, but I dilute mine with a little bit of water, say about 60 grams to 300 grams of this sweetened condensed milk. You can decide to use your condensed milk the way it came without diluting it, but this is my preference because I love the results it gives once the ice cream is frozen. There are a few things you need to take note of. Make sure you are using cold whipping cream, okay, not frozen. Don't put your whipping cream in the freezer. Do not freeze it. You just need your cold whipping cream. You can chill your bowl and your hand whisk for better results. So I have 600 grams of the heavy whipping cream to 300 grams of the condensed milk, and I diluted the condensed milk with 60 grams of water. I mixed it until it's properly combined. Now all you want to do is go ahead and whisk this till soft peaks. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once we are done whipping it. It should take between a minute to 2 minutes to get to your soft peaks. You don't want it to get to stiff peaks, and this is what we're talking about. You can see the consistency. It is soft, and that's what we're going for. Now I'm going to go ahead to add in my vanilla flavor. Initially, I wanted to make it just a vanilla flavor, but I decided to also make a strawberry flavor, or teach you how to make strawberry flavor. And for flavor, I'm using 1 tablespoon. I use my 1 tsp, so I measured it 3 times. And you go ahead and pour in all of your condensed milk. Remember, the measurement for the condensed milk is 300 grams, but I diluted it so that it's not too thick. And I explained to you that I prefer the texture when it's frozen, okay, to the texture it has without diluting the condensed milk. It's just about preference. You can do whatever works for you. And just so you know, condensed milk is basically whole milk and sugar that has been boiled down to a thick consistency, so there's no issues diluting it at all. Now you're just going to whisk till everything is properly combined, and you transfer it into your loaf pan. Always try to use, it's best for you to use your stainless steel pans for ice cream, as it helps to freeze up your ice cream faster than a plastic bowl. You'll notice I'm dividing it into 2 of my pans, and that's because I want to show you how you can easily make your strawberry flavored ice cream. You can get your strawberries, fresh strawberries, wash it properly, puree it, and add it to this mixture. You can add a little bit of color and strawberry flavor to it, and you're good to go. Or you just add your strawberry flavor and a little bit of color. So you saw the color I used, that was a powdered color, and I had to blend it in a little cream first to enable me mix it in properly without lumps before I transfer it into the bowl, and I'll mix it in properly to get my desired shade. So you can either do it this way or use your fresh strawberries. They both taste nice, okay? They both taste nice, just that one has fresh strawberries and the other does not have fresh strawberries. For your color, you can also use your liquid food color. You don't have to use a powdered color like I did. Just make sure you get the right shade and you use a good quality color. That's all. And you do not need to add vanilla flavor into your strawberry flavor, but because I decided to teach you guys how you can make 2 different flavors from the same base, okay, that was why. So now I'm going to wrap it in cling film and then put it in my freezer until it is about, maybe when the mixture is thick enough, then I would remove the cling film and then I'll wrap it in such a way that the cling film is touching the ice cream so that it doesn't form water crystals inside the cling film. I'll show you what that looks like once I bring it out of the freezer. And you're going to leave this overnight. I made this at midnight and I brought it out the next day in the afternoon. So you can leave it for 24 hours. You can leave it for 12 hours. It depends on how fast your freezer works. Some people's freezer would freeze this up within 6 to 8 hours. So just make sure that you check on it, and when you touch it, you tap it and you realize that it's frozen, then you can bring out your ice cream and consume. Now it's time for us to have a taste of our homemade ice cream. Grab my ice cream scoop and scoop it out. You can tell that I'm so excited. I'm yet to meet anyone who doesn't love ice cream. Yes, I'm yet to. If you do not like ice cream, please let me know in the comment section. And if you're a fan of ice cream like I am, please let me know in the comment section. I had this with waffles, with pancakes. The children loved it, everyone loved it. I was too tired to grab a loaf pan, but I would advise you use a loaf pan for yours, so that scooping will be easier. But guys, notice the texture I was talking about. As I'm scooping this, just take note of the texture of this ice cream. Man, this ice cream tastes so delicious, so yummy. I don't even have the right words to describe how this ice cream tastes, the way it melts in your mouth. I don't know, the texture, the taste, it is just simply amazing. I mean, take a look at the strawberry. Oh my goodness. You really should try this out for yourself, your family. Oh no, 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 no. I think that you should try this. Try it, please. Let me know if you're going to try out this recipe. And if you've enjoyed watching this video this far, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and families. This is the brand I used, but trust me, you can even use a brand that is of a better quality. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.